Most Reverend Vyasji, devotees all, let me say Vanakam, Namaskaram to each and every one of you. And like I said at Kali Mandir here, listening to everybody, there is no space for me to talk, and I say, because there is so much that we listen to Panditji. And it is nice that Lord one thing, when Panditji, the Vyas, whatever he read to you, take it with you home. But if we do all plenty things until you forget, by then we choose until we remember what the real story when we saw. Panditji, the Katha is very important, very, very important. I'll sing a bhajan to Muruga Swami, son of Lord Shiva and Mother Parvati, which you are called Kartikeyan. Aru Mugam, that's my name. Aru Mugam, 6 faces. Adi Shakti Vilkunna, Adi Agari Kirko, Adi Baru Vilkundu Muruga, Muruga, Yad Jori Param Jori, Jori Param Jori, Yanor Madigal, Varginda Muruga, Adi Shakti Vilkundu, Adi Agari Kirko, Adi Baru Vilkundu Muruga, 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 Yad Jori Param Jori, Jori Param Jori, Yanor Madigal, Varginda Muruga. Sugar.